Hey, welcome back. Today's video is going to be my Sephora sale video. I went ahead and grabbed a few items from the Sephora VIB sale, their holiday event that recently just happened, and I'm excited to show you guys what I got. It's not a massive haul, but I did get some products that I'm really excited to go ahead and show you guys. So I'm going to start by opening my box here. Everything will be linked down below, so if you ever want to check out any of my links, they're always in the description box. Okay, we are getting started with my Sephora VIB sale holiday event haul. I am so excited to dig into this haul. I don't have a ton of products, but what I do have, I am very excited about. I always get excited to get anything at a discount, and I was able to snag a couple products that I've been eyeing, that I've been wanting from Sephora. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with showing you guys those. So this first one I got very much talked into. It's not a product that I typically purchase. I have a lot of setting sprays in my collection. It's not something that I very much need at all. And none of this is really anything I need, let's be honest, but this isn't something that I anticipated putting in my collection, but I kept seeing it mentioned in recommendation videos, and I've been hearing just amazing things about it. And this is from Charlotte Tilbury. It's called their AIRBRUSH Flawless Finish Setting Spray. They did offer a mini, which I feel like made me even more amped to purchase this, just because I love minis. I feel like for me personally, I often don't go through a full-size product, so minis are a great way for me to try something, to see what I think of it. And this one was offered, it was $20 for a mini, which is very expensive. Charlotte Tilbury is an expensive brand, but I've been hearing, like I said, amazing things about this one. Also, one thing I've been hearing about this is that it's really great for masks. So if you are someone who has to wear a mask, obviously we all have to wear masks at this point, someone who has to wear one all day, I've heard that this is really great for keeping your makeup just like set in place and really helping with that mask and not having it, disrupt your makeup at all. So that's kind of what intrigued me about this one, is that it kind of has that lasting power that I'm often looking for. So I'm excited to try it. Again, it was a pricey little one, but I am excited, and I do have high hopes for it. Okay, next up, I have here the next product. I'm like, what did I even buy? That's the sad part about these hauls. Sometimes I'm like, what is next? So I ended up getting one of these. I told you guys in my wish list video that this is something I had on my list, and it's from Patrick Ta, and it is the Double Take Cream and Powder Blush. First off, Patrick Ta has the most beautiful packaging. There's just something about his packaging that is just so luxe. I've told you guys before, simple, simplistic packaging like this is really just my favorite. But I've seen these in store, but I've never actually got to swatch them, because when I did see them in store, we weren't allowed to swatch things. So I'm excited to dig into this one. So the one that I got is called She's So LA. And when I was watching recommendations, this was the one that most people were recommending. And so I went ahead and grabbed this one. I do think it will work really well. I love a nude blush. So I think that this one, having the nude blush right here, will look really pretty. And then I've heard that the cream product isn't as intense as it looks in the pan, from the reviews that I have seen. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a swatch. And I'm excited, like I said, to put this all over my face, because I always get excited for new blushes. Blushes is something that, I don't know why, but it always just like intrigues me. It's something I've gotten really into. So there's what it looks like. It definitely has a nice sheen to the cream product right there. So I'm very, very intrigued, very excited to try these out. I have tried quite a few products from Patrick Ta, but I have not tried his blush formula. I also was looking and eyeing his powder blushes as well, but I ultimately decided to grab that one because you got a powder and a cream. I think it was $2 more or $4 more than the other one. So I went ahead and grabbed that one. And then next up I have from The Ordinary. This is a primer. And I should just rename this haul things that Kelly Gooch made me buy, because the last product I have here is recommendations of hers as well. So if you weren't checking her out, I'll link her channel down below. But she always talks about this primer here from The Ordinary. It's their high adherence silicone primer. I personally love silicone primers. I deal with larger pores. So that's something that I'm often looking to minimize. And this one is only $4. So $4 primer is something I can get on board with, and she's often just saying how great this one is and how nice it is for the affordable price. So that is something that I'm always looking for, is affordable products, and I feel like $4 is even cheaper, I feel like, than most drugstores. So The Ordinary is definitely a brand that is always on my list, and I feel like I like a lot of the products I've tried from them. So I was curious. Ooh, this is a different texture than I thought. I don't know what I was thinking it was. I thought, I guess, more silicone-y than it is, but it actually has a nice, like, I don't know the word I'm looking for, moisturizing factor to it. Like, it's not as thick as I thought it would be. I can see where I would like this a lot because, let's see if it has a scent. I don't think it has a scent. I don't know if the ordinary products do, but this one doesn't. I can see this just laying really smoothly on my skin. I'm excited, so excited to try that one out and see how I like it. I always love finding new primers as well. That's something I often like to try. And then I just have one more product, and again, Kelly Gooch made me buy this one, and I better love this because 2 Charlotte Tilbury products in one haul is a lot for me. I feel like typically I'm not someone who spends, you know, a crazy amount on blushes or liquid products in general, and I have 2 cream products in here, but this is the Glowgasm Beauty Light Wand. I got mine in the shade PINKGASM. This she has been like raving about, and I've looked at her TikTok, and she has such beautiful like cheeks when she has this on. She talked about it on her channel, and she always just looks so beautiful, and I'm like, okay, I need that in my life because I want to glow as well. I've heard really good things about the other highlighting products from Charlotte Tilbury as well, like her glow wand, and I've also heard good things about her contour wand as well. So I wanted to try this. Packaging, it has like this little pillow right here, and you go ahead and put the product out. So I did put out a tiny, actually let me close this because it has like an on and off switch. I want to make sure I'm not going to be like wasting the product, so turn it off. That part is nice that it has that. And I'll show you guys. I'm just as excited as you to see the swatch of this because I'm just like so looking forward to seeing this on the cheeks. Okay, it looks sheerer than I thought. Like I thought it would be more pigmented, but I kind of like that because I'm someone who can be heavy-handed with my makeup, but I don't know, the swatch isn't blowing me away. So hopefully I like this one as much as I hope I will. And again, that one is a Charlotte Tilbury product. So I did get that. I got the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray as well, which I am very excited to try these like together and see the duo together. And then again, I'm super excited about the Patrick Ta blush as well. And I'm just so in love with Patrick Ta's brand. He came out with this new, it's a highlighter. It's like a wet highlight, and I almost put that in my cart because that one came out like at the end of the sale. But I ultimately decided not to because I already got the glowy product from Charlotte Tilbury, and I already feel like this one is going to be one that I feel like I'm going to like a lot. So I kind of want to just keep it a smaller haul this time around. I am looking to do a Ulta haul. I have quite a bit in my cart at Ulta, so I was kind of keeping that in mind as I made my purchases here too. But I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the products I did get. I would love to know down in the comment section what you guys picked up from the Sephora sale. What are some products maybe that you recommend I try? I always am open to hearing your suggestions, and hopefully you guys liked this one. I know it was short and sweet, but sometimes that's just the way my hauls are. So thank you again for watching. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, friends.